Hello, today you're looking at a rapid 500 amp 12 volt air cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Unit is wired for 480 volt 3-phase. Very good working condition. We'll turn it on here in a second for you. Has been tested and checked out by our electricians on staff. Overall dimensions are 30 inches long by 25 inches wide by 43 inches high. Does have a remote control. Here is the remote now. And we'll turn it on so we can see and hear it go. Volts and amps go up. Take a look at the oscilloscope wave there. Very nice working machine. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com.